Hi, my name is Anders, and I'm part of the Uccelerate product team, and I would like to welcome you. In this video, I'll show you how we're giving back the power to the e-commerce manager. So let's get started. Here is my web shop. We call it Shades, which runs on Umbraco Cloud, Ucommerce, and Uccelerate on top. Uccelerate is a bunch of tools for the e-commerce manager. Well, we call them widgets. They could be called content blocks, etc. Besides all these widgets, it also comes with a nice and sexy front end. And first of all, we have the header up here where we have a logo. We can change that. We have a nice top navigation together with all the widgets, a country and a currency selector, search, and a mini basket. If you move a bit down the page, the first thing you'll notice is a hero widget containing a background image, some text, but more interesting, a buy button. So already here we combine content and commerce in one single button. So let's try that. Let's reload the page here. And let's buy this edge. It did work. Fantastic. So the button is associated to a product, is now added to the basket, and in 3 steps we can do a checkout. Fill out the information and we're done. So now let's go into the back end and see how the new order has come in. Go in here, press login, and this is the back end of Umbraco, and I go down to Ucommerce, which is a section down here, and what we find here is a dashboard where we can see a new order has come in. We can see the basket conversion, the total revenue of that order that's just been placed. And of course, we also have some settings up here where we can actually toggle between different currencies. And down here, we actually have a feed where we can see what's actually going on in the store right now. So this is actually you as the digital merchant standing behind your counter and seeing what is going on in your store right now. And also we can open up the new order, and we can also open up the basket as soon as someone's trying to put something in the checkout flow. Maybe you want to call the guy up and say, hey, we can see that you put something in the order. Do you want us to complete the order together with you? Something like that. And a extra nice feature is this one up here, where we can actually get some more insight from what's going on in the store, the last 24 hours, month, a year. And then of course, since everything in Ucommerce is multi-currency, multi in every aspect, we can see it based on the different stores that we have up here. So now that we are seeing the back office, let's go back on the front end and see what other things Uccelerate can offer. So this is the front page. We've gone over it again and again, but here we have some products, we have some more content, and obviously we also have a category sections that comes directly from Ucommerce, and down here we list, in this example, 8 products. We have some filter going on where we can filter on, for example, the color or maybe the size. And also we can sort the products. All this comes out of the box with Uccelerate. And every product is loaded in a lazy load. So this means that the actual category page loads pretty fast. And just like I said in the beginning, we can toggle between different currencies up here. So now I can switch to euros, and all the prices down here are now converted into euros. Going into the product that we purchased before, we get a nice image up here of the actual product. We have a headline, we have some reviews going on, some intro text and a buy button, of course, some USPs. All this can be edited within inside of Uccelerate. And down here we have some description, details, and reviews, which is also part of the of Ucommerce as a platform. So here I can fill out with my informations and post it, and everything will be submitted into the platform. So what I really think is interesting here is that everything is optimized for Google as well. So all the small text that Google needs to index it is obviously provided in the code as well. Besides that, we can even customize it even more. So every single product page or category page, we can add some content that makes sense for that specific product or page. Down here I have added a get 10% discount off on your first order. So if I press this one, we will open up a new section here on new page on Instagram. If I close it again, you know, this is the code I get that I can use when I do my checkout. So if I copy this and I go up again and I say, yeah, I want to purchase this guy, I go to checkout and I put in the voucher code here and add it. And now it actually asks the marketing foundation inside of Ucommerce to execute this 10% discount. And then again, I can fill out the informations I got here. And I can complete the order. Or I can go back and do some more shopping. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked Uccelerate. This is just the beginning and this is just a intro video. Reach out if you like to have a more in-depth presentation of Uccelerate and we'll be more than happy to do that for you.